weakness and laziness, immunity problem, wasting, malnutrition, and even cancer. We are hearing about them very frequently in the past period, affecting us all, especially children, mainly because of unhealthy foods. We searched a lot about food that makes our children strong and healthy, able to cope with diseases in childhood and their future. We did not find better than natural honey. Most ways to detect the quality of honey at home is not correct. So if you are looking for healing, you need to go to the specialized laboratories to analyze honey to ensure the quality of honey, or by confidence, Dr. B. So we advise the consumer to take Dr. B because it is not exposed to pasteurization, which is the process of heating honey that destroys most of the enzymes and components of honey useful, making honey worthless and result in the increase of material called HMF, which is very harmful and carcinogenic in the long term. Natural nectar of flowers contain all the healing and nutritional properties. Product from Dr. Kidd, a specialized pharmacy company in the field of nutrition and supervised by scientists and researchers in the field of beekeeping and the production of natural bee honey. It is recommended to eat it daily in the morning and before bedtime, conforming to the Egyptian, Gulf, and international standards. For more information, visit www.drkid.co. Suitable for children after 1 year.